Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your carrier voicemail is active and that your iPhone 13 has cellular signal. This avoids setup errors. Once ready, open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab at the bottom right. If this is your first time, tap Setup Now and follow prompts to create a password. This secures access. Next, choose Default or Custom Greeting and Record one. Make sure to speak clearly so callers know who reached voicemail. This gets you into the voicemail interface quickly and correctly. Once you see messages, tap any voicemail to play. Use the play, pause, and scrub bar to navigate. You can rewind a few seconds to catch details, and after listening, swipe left to delete or tap more for options. Visual voicemail shows a transcription. Read it to decide whether to call back, save, or share. If you want to keep a message, tap Share to export to notes or files. Make sure to back up important voicemails. This prevents accidental loss if you clear them. To finish, customize your greeting anytime by tapping Greeting and recording a new one. Change voicemail password in settings if needed. If voicemail messages do not appear, try simple fixes. Toggle airplane mode, wait 10 seconds, then turn it off. Once done, restart the iPhone 13. Make sure cellular data is enabled for visual voicemail to work. If problems persist after these steps, contact your carrier, because some voicemail features.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.